Alright, so we're about to get set up to cut all of these rabbets. And the first thing I want to do is set up my fence to be used as a stop. So I see my line right here where the edge of my board needs to be. And I can make sure my carbide tooth is just kissing that line. And then I can adjust my fence. That's too much.
You working on, Kevin?
I'm building a hand tool bench. That actually looks good. So when I butt my board directly to the fence and make that cut, it'll do my initial shoulder cut for all of my rabbets. And if I set the proper depth, which I have a line right here, and I'm just going to raise and lower the saw blade until it's right there at the line. And we're going to lock that in right there. So now, that's that. And that is right on 1.5 inches. And as far as material left, now the only thing I need to check and see is if I need to move my fence over to adjust that stop. But it looks like they fit in there nice and snug. So I should be able to continue using this setting. That's up tight against the fence. This is tight against the fence. Actually, by the fence, the shoulder does need to be moved over just a little bit. This is when I wish I had one of those micro adjusts. Let's do one more test cut and we'll see what we got. That's better. Alright, so I can use this setting to cut all of my stretchers, and then I can go over and cut all the pieces for my actual rails, and then we have everything for the sub-assembly. Then I just got to do the notches for the legs. I haven't laid those out yet. We'll figure that out after I get this and that kind of put together. Alright, so this is essentially going to half lap right into there. I need to lay out the other two locations as well. So yeah, let's back the camera. Well, actually, I'm not even going to show you guys. I'm going to just, divide this up and put 2 more stretchers in there, then transfer it to the other one. We'll catch back up once we get back over here to the table saw and we're ready to cut all the, we keep calling them all rabbits. Yeah, so we're going to cut the rabbits or half laps, whatever you want to call them. And then this piece is then going to bear there and get glued. And drive a screw from underneath. And I can also drive fasteners through here. Plus all the glue. Then the leg assembly is going to get notched and set through there. Yeah. Alright.
Stop playing with us. Hey, but on some different shit, Ray. You wanna play Mario Kart?
Yeah, let's do it.
You wanna play Mario Kart? You gotta. Why you taking our money? Why you ain't coming here with a band? Oh, why'd you not come here with a band? Get your ass out of here. Come back when you got a band.
Go to the bank, came in that bitch.
Go to the bank, bro. What the fuck? Is he crazy?
Yeah, I'm trying to play.
Is he crazy? Nah, man, y'all made me ready to cry. Go check on the video. Nah, bro, he ain't finna ruin my mood, bro. I don't give a fuck, man. He ain't finna ruin my mood, bro. And yeah, we working, bro. We working, man. That's 37 minutes of straight shit talk. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. Hey, but chat, everybody who be speaking positive shit and all the people who be showing love for it, I want to tell y'all this real quick. Thank y'all. I appreciate y'all, nigga. You back with bands? Are you back with bands, nigga? Are you back with bands? Yo, man, we got a bank in the house, nigga. We got a bank in the house, nigga. ATM. We got a bank in the house, nigga. ATM, yeah. Know what's up? Coach said if he not only is he making sure y'all win, he about to send a message to everybody that he ain't no bitch. That's Coach.
Okay.
Alright, that will work. We're going to take this back over to the bench and actually line this up with all the stretchers, and then we can actually start laying out the actual cuts for the legs. And for those of you guys who stuck around to the end, I want to say thank you. Here's a sneak peek of what the bench looks like when it's finished. And if you guys have enjoyed, let me know down below. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.